Hey guys, welcome back to another Escape 3 video. Yeah, let's play. And can you see what it says? No, Sam, you can't. But look what it says. Monday. Okay, now you can see perfectly. Monday the 16th. It's like Friday the 13th. And look, Nightmare on Ape Street. This is supposed to be like a scary level. And this level does scare me. Zoom in and out. That's funny. Mom, I'm scared. At least I think that's her mom. Okay, well, I'm gonna go to it. This level scares me. Looks like the only thing in this... No. This game is like very happy cheery, and yet there's still things that scares me. Now, Ape Escape 1's older, so it looks a little bit darker at times. But let's start this. I think I get a new form. No, I don't.
Here's another gadget. I'm going to warp over to
The water net.
It's a water net.
You don't
Use it to
say.
go swimming in
It says
the
it
water.
right there.
Practice going for a swim in the training room.
I can't swim. I would need one of these
Want to go over to
IRL.
the training room to try it out?
Yes. Monday the 16th. Nightmare on Elm Street. I'm not.
The water net is a gadget used for swimming the water.
Shut up. I know how to work the water net. There's a difference between in this game. In Ape Escape 1 and 2, you can dive down as deep as you possibly want. But she can only go that far down. She can only go a little far down, which is weird. Maybe she can't swim that good. Or is scared to go too far down. I know how to catch the monkey. Oh, it's different. In the first one, there was like a thing that just like, pops out. I wonder what the second one did. I forgot. Okay, and here I have to go. Oh, press the start button. She just shuts up right away. I bet everyone who hates Navi wish you could do that. I love Navi though, so I don't mind. Except when I'm playing Versus, I kind of wish I could skip over the text. But that's really only a problem in the first two temples, so I'm good. Spooky. Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. If there's skeletons in this video, I might insert that shut up. If there's a skeleton in this, I'm gonna play that spooky, scary skeleton song in this. Which is hopefully doesn't make the quality go down. But then actually if the quality's down, it might be a little bit look a little different, might make it a little bit more scary. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know how that would work. What are you trying to do? Trying to shoot your mixtape at me? I don't think so, pal. Buddy old pal. I feel like there's something right... I don't need that. Something right here that... Oh, it's right here. Yeah, spinning. Spinning while I'm spinning. I'm spinning this to spin that to spin the Ferris wheel. Oh my god. Good thing I know that's just a prop. Otherwise I'd be terrifying. Oh, there's one right there. It'd be cool if I could be on one of these. I'm gonna try it. Hello! Oh shit, I did that. Oh my god, that was awesome. Take a crew. Let me get on one. Let me get on one. Let me do it. Okay, let me stop. Come on. Let me on here. Come on. Let me do it. Yeah, oh, it's gonna knock me off even if I get on it. Okay, well, which way do I direction? I came from that direction. So, oh, it's those little piglets again. And that's about all that's here. Yep. There's a part up here that's also helpful for getting... Oh, up here is the boss. If I do edit this, I'm gonna put some boss music right here. Which is probably gonna... Okay, transform into the Fantasy Knight. Oh, shoot. No, you're not sucking me in. Take that. Ow. He hit me with his trunks. His trunk. Ah, I need a dodge when he tries to do that. Yeah, take that. Haha, oh, there's two of them, wow. All that money. Oh, wow, I thought giving 1,000 would give me an extra life. Let's see if I can get them both at the same time, let's see. Haha, oh, Chi-Chi. And Bomb Bomb. Well, Goku, I just captured your monkey wife. Oh, wait. Goku, you have a monkey wife in another world. That was a very uneventful boss. Wasn't very hard. I think I took a little bit longer on my first try. Last year, and I keep saying this game's like really nostalgic, it was only last year that I played it. That for the first time. I've never... Ape Escape 2 I played like 10 years ago. Ape Escape 1 I played like 16 years ago. 15, 16. Floating pumpkins, that's creepy. Not creepy enough 5 me. Aww. This one's... Mumpkin. All these pumpkins have a bunch of coins in them, and I'm gonna get them. Damn it. I need to try and get a streak going where I'm getting a whole bunch of coins. Yeah. Darn it. My god, I have so much money. Maybe it's another game thing about that you get once you get 1,000, you get an extra life. Oh, I almost missed them. Oh my god, so much money! Look at all that money. Oh, I missed one. Oh, and a couple more over here. I don't need them. Whatever, am I gonna... Ooh, maybe sometime after this episode, if I record again, I'm gonna show stuff in the oh my god. What? You can't even see them now, that's kind of creepy. Now, this part creeps me out. Hold on. I feel like you say something important. No, you don't. Let's see. Huh. Can I just not see over there yet, or what? Okay. Well, I need to hurry up and get out of here. No, no, no. Don't come near me. Wait a minute. Hold up. Before I capture them. Thinks he's in love. Yukisuki. Where's the other one? Should be Sally. A realist despite appearances. Was this supposed to be like Titanic or something? Oh god, now I have to go in there to catch him. Come on. Damn it, come back here. Come back here. Oh, how dare you knock me back into the water. Damn it. Oh shoot, get away from me. Come here. Chibi Sally, that's funny. It's like chibi. Now where's the other one? You're... Oh, come on, I totally got him. Come on, I got him. I'm like right next to him. Get back here. Oh, snapped. Okay, there we go. Now, there's something right here I need to do. Perfect. Okay. Little action scene. Start filming. Ready? Action. It's Friday night. Oh my god, he's got the Freddy mask on. When I first played this, that terrified me. He's got the...
You're mine.
And now, let me get on this right here. Let me get on this right here. This is what I did the first time. Oh my god. He's just standing there. Menacingly. Okay, I'll just go over there. Maybe if I sneak by, he won't know. He won't notice me. Oh, no, stay in the water. Has he noticed me? He's got a chainsaw, man. Okay, light's still blue. Okay, let me over. Let me over. Let me over here. Come on. Oh, that one. Okay, maybe if I sneak by him, maybe he's blind. Okay. I'm just gonna crawl out of here, right? Uh-uh. Huh. This is one of the things that you can push. How do I pull? Okay, maybe I have to push it. It clearly says push on it. Okay. I wonder if this is gonna be a 2-episode level. I haven't done that so far yet. I've been like playing these in one whole episode. Okay, I gotta go all the way around. Making sure he doesn't see or hear me. God, he's stupid. Making sure he didn't hear me say that. Because he can... Looking for rust-proofing agents. I don't know what that means. I'm assuming he's meaning to kill them. To kill the agents. Oh, the graveyard. Did he hear that? Okay, he must be deaf. And blind too, since he didn't see me crawl right past him. Oh, I thought I was gonna hit him. Cause I heard him coming after me. Now I know what you're thinking. John, are you gonna capture that monkey? And the answer may surprise you. No. Not yet. I'll save the scariest monkeys for the last. Speaking of scary, it's a mummy, but this one doesn't scare me. It tends to get dry, flaky skin. Gross. Oh. Whoa, shoot. I thought those ghosts from Maple Escape 1 was about to come after me. It would have been much scarier if they did. And even made the little white little ghost-like little aura from it when it did it. Ow. And look. Oh, he's in love too. I have a mummy as a fan. Oh, you're spared. I've done skipped 2 monkeys. Oh shoot, it's flaming up here. Oh, look at this, I found my mixtape. Transform. Yep. My mixtape's too far, I have to use a shield to get past it. You're not a monkey. One more. I would have already been done if I captured any of those monkeys. Well, that's not creepy at all. This tells me something that there's something right there. Okay, oh, here's a scene. Oh, it's like the thing from Maple Escape 2. Oh my god, that's creepy. Loves math. My god. You just see her body just spinning around. If I do edit this with you, spin me right around, baby. I don't put this song in the rest movie. I remember, no I don't remember. Okay, I'm gonna get off that, that's creepy. It even makes the noises. Okay. Oh my god. This piano is playing on its own. Wait, no it isn't. Is it? Let me on the chair. Okay. Where do I go next? Oh, up here. Okay. Let me just break some of this. Yeah. Need to get on that. Come on. Come a little closer. I'm coming for you. I wonder if she can even get out of there. I think she's fucked. What the hell? Okay. Didn't you literally just say that? Oh, oh. Hey. Okay. Oh, cool. Wow. I just made it rain. In money. Wait. How do I? I think this might have to be a 2-part episode. Was I supposed to do something? I can get up here like this. Is there a button I have to press? Wow. Get up there. Open sesame. Or maybe this isn't? How much monkeys total is in the whole level? Huh. Oh no, does this mean I have to get that monkey? Well, you'll find out in the next episode when I'm continue playing. And if you guys enjoy this, be sure to let me know by giving that like button a little slap and commenting down below that you enjoyed this and oh my god, I thought that would hurt me. Okay. And how you thought it was funny that I got scared. And subscribe for future videos, and if you want to find out what happens on the next episode. And I'll catch you guys later.